Hello everyone, welcome back. To this video, we will learn about a new material, vector. So what is vector and what is the application of vector in real life? Before that, let's learn the basic principle of vector first. So vector is a quantity that has a value and also direction. The example of vector are displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, and also weight. Scalar is a quantity which only has value. It has no direction. So in here we have distance, speed, temperature, volume, length, mass, and all of these quantities you've learned it at physics lesson. Is that right? For now, what is vector quantities? In general, it is described by using a line segment with a direction or arrow. So this is the arrow. At the end of the arrow, you have the direction of the vector, and you have the line segment represent the length of the vector or the vector size. If you have vector AB, A will be the point of initial point of the vector, and here B is the terminal point of the vector. Usually, this vector is denoted by AB or U, using two capital letters AB and also arrow above these two letters, or if you want to use one letter, you are using small letter with also an arrow above it. Vector in a two-dimensional plane are expressed as pairs of numbers written vertically or horizontally in matrix form. For example, you have vector AB and it is 4, 3. This is a matrix, which is a column matrix that showing the displacement in x-axis and in y-axis direction. It also can be expressed with a line matrix 4, 3 like this. So from point A, you will go to the right 4 units and you will go up 3 units until you achieve point B. For other example, in here we have vector CD. Vector CD minus 3, 5. So, from point C, you will go to the left 3 units because it is a negative value, and you will go up 5 units to the y positive direction. So this is the vector CD. This is 3 units and this is 5 units. What about vector in 3-dimensional plane? So in 3-dimensional plane, vector are represented by 3 numbers written also vertically or horizontally as before. This is the example of vector DF. 9, also a displacement in x direction. 6 will be also a displacement in y direction. And 4 will be the displacement for the point further or closer to the source. This is also the line matrix that represent the displacement of vectors. For example, if you have DF964, you will start at an initial point D, you move 9 units to the right, and then you move up 6 units, and then you will get closer to the source in here, the researcher, so you will end up in point D. So this is the vector DF. So for other example, let's see. We have F as the initial point, and we have the vector U, which is minus 9, 0, minus 4. What is the terminal point of vector U? Okay, you can think of and see in this cuboid and find the terminal point. So what is your answers? Let's start and check your answer. From point F, you will move 9 units to the left, 0 unit up or down, and then minus 4, it means you move further from the source, so you end up at point H. So this will be the terminal point of the vector. Okay. So as you already have this introduction of vector in 2D and 3D, let's have an exercise to show your knowledge about this all. Thank you everyone, stay healthy and God bless you. Bye bye.